Hi, I'm Justin,
I'm Stacy.
and we have a problem. No, our problem is not that I like to have two drinks in my hands. The problem, you see, is that we have these cup holders. And for the most part, they work pretty well. However, Stacy likes to drink coffee.
Not so great for coffee.
So what we did was, using your standard cutting board and a little bit of ingenuity, we came up with a way to mount it into our cup holder.
So make sure that you take your cup holders to the hardware store to get the right size PVC pipe. I think they're all a little different. Ours were about, I think it was 2.5, and they just kind of pop out. So we were able to just carry it in there. He then drilled into the board and got a washer and a nut. And now we have a table.